At Executive Maids, our mission is clear: to make a difference in people's lives. We achieve this by empowering our dedicated cleaning professionals, individuals who genuinely care about our clients, to excel in their roles. By prioritizing their well-being, we ensure our clients receive exceptional cleaning services, resulting in happier and healthier homes. Now, let's delve into what sets us apart: our core values, which everyone lives by at Executive Maids: integrity, trust in our honesty, transparency, and ethical standards; reliability, dependable cleaning you can count on; service, impeccable cleaning for satisfaction and sparkling homes; fair pricing, outstanding value without compromise on quality; helpfulness, making our clients' lives easier and their homes healthier; personality, our friendly cleaners bring warmth and positivity to every cleaning. These values define us. With Executive Maids, you're not just hiring a cleaning service, you're gaining a dedicated partner committed to excellence. Cleaners who care, that's our superpower.